hoy quisiera hablar del tema cuando los sueños no se cumplen.
And I'd like to talk about when the dreams do not become true or
Cuan-
come true.
Cuando los sueños no se cumplen.
When the dreams do not come true.
Y tengo una pregunta para usted.
I have a question for you.
¿Qué sueños en su vida no se han cumplido?
What dreams in your life have not come true
Algunos de
yet?
ustedes tienen sueños y ya pasó el tiempo y dice, wow, como que no ha llegado todavía.
You know, some of us have dreams and we're like, oh, the time hasn't come yet.
¿Qué sueños en su vida no se han cumplido?
What dreams haven't come true yet?
Y cuando nosotros comenzamos a pensar de esos sueños que no hemos llegado a cumplir,
And when we start to think about those dreams that have not come true yet,
y a estas alturas de la vida los vemos demasiado lejos,
and we see that at age where we're at, those dreams are just too far away.
y pensamos, no, eso hubiese sido cuando yo era todavía un adolescente o era joven, pero ya tengo 60 años, 80, 90, 120 años, y
You know, you're like, when I was a teenager, I could believe in those dreams, but now that I'm 70, 80, 120, it is so hard.
o quizás está llegando a los 60, a los 50, a los 45, por ahí, dice, wow, mis sueños no se llegaron a cumplir nunca.
Or maybe you're 45, 50, or 60, and you're like, my dream has not become true yet.
Y ve esos sueños demasiado lejos
And you see those dreams so far away.
y se pregunta,
And then you ask,
¿por qué no se cumplieron esos sueños?
why didn't those dreams come true?
Se sienta en la silla de su casa y dice, ¿por qué mis sueños no se cumplieron?
And you sit in the comfort chair in your living room and you ask, why didn't my dreams come
¿Alguno
true?
de ustedes ha tenido sueños así?
How many of you had dreams of that
Y
nature?
en alguna ocasión se ha sentado en su casa a pensar por qué ese sueño no se ha cumplido.
And you sat in your chair in your living room and you thought, why haven't those dreams come true yet?
Este fue mi sueño.
This was my dream.
Solo puedo ver la guitarra hoy.
I can only see the guitar now
Porque ese sueño no se cumplió.
because the dream didn't come
Y lo
true.
veo tan lejos.
And I see it so far
Porque hoy
away
me dedico a otras cosas.
because now I dedicate to do other
Quizás en
things.
mi época de joven,
Maybe in my young years.
que sigo siendo joven para ustedes,
Okay, I'm still
Me
young,
recuerdo.
okay? Just so that you know.
pero cuando era adolescente,
But when I was a teenager,
cuando era un niño,
when I was a child,
yo les he contado la historia que fui y renté una guitarra
I've told you the story that I went and I rented a guitar
porque quería suplir o llenar el vacío que dejó uno de los Beatles.
because I wanted to go ahead and fill the spot that one of the Beatles had left.
Y vivía por ese sueño
And I had that incredible
y
dream.
quería una guitarra.
And I wanted a guitar.
Y un día me fui a la escuela
So one day I went to
y
school
presté una buena guitarra.
and I went ahead and lended a guitar from the school.
A las 2 semanas la regresé
2 weeks after, I decided to return
y me
it.
quedé con el sueño.
And I just stayed with my dream.
Y comencé a pensar, algún día voy a tocar la guitarra.
And I started to say, one day, I'm going to go ahead and play that
Y
guitar.
ya llegué a los 42 años
And now I'm 42 years old.
y lo veo muy lejos
And I see that so far
que mi
away
sueño se pueda cumplir.
that my dream can become true.
¿Cuántos de ustedes han llegado a esa etapa que llegó el pastor monje?
How many of you have gotten to the stage where I have been as the pastor?
Demasiado lejos los sueños.
Oh, my dreams are just so far away.
Así que no se cumplió ese sueño.
So the dream didn't become true.
No lo pude cumplir.
I couldn't accomplish my dream.
Se puede cumplir, pero lo veo demasiado lejos.
Yes, the dream could have come true, but I see it too far away.
Y cuando nosotros vamos teniendo esos sueños,
And when we start having those dreams,
va pasando el tiempo
then the time goes by,
y se van acumulando esas emociones de esos sueños que queríamos alcanzar.
and those emotions start to accumulate of the dreams we wanted to reach.
Eso es lo que pasa con la gente que tiene esos sueños y esos sueños nunca los alcanza.
And that's what happens to those people that have those dreams, and those dreams never come true.
Y comienzan a ir amontonando esas emociones que usted un día quería tocar la guitarra o quería hacer algo que usted soñaba en hacer.
They wanted to accumulate all those emotions. Maybe you had the dream that you wanted to play that guitar,
Y no lo logró.
and you weren't able to
Y
achieve that.
comienza ese montón de emociones a ir acumulándose ahí.
And those emotions start to accumulate there.
Y esas emociones
And those emotions,
a muchas personas lo llevan a convertirse en un alcohólico,
they take them to becoming somebody who loves to drink,
en un drogadicto,
somebody who likes to do drugs.
a desarrollar una ira incontrolable,
They start to develop a rage they cannot control.
una ira extraordinaria porque no pudo alcanzar ese sueño que tenía.
They start to develop this rage that is so big there because they're not able to achieve their dreams.
Y esa persona comienza a convertirse en una persona amargada,
And they start to become to a person that's full of hate.
decepcionada porque su sueño no se alcanzó.
And they're a person who are depressed.
Y con ese iras incontrolables dentro de ellos,
And with a rage that they cannot control within them.
cosas que pudieron pasar,
Things that could have happened.
no las logró.
They weren't able to get them.
Y
to
esas
achieve
emociones
them.
comienzan a ir estorbando nuestra vida.
And those emotions start to get in the way of our life.
Pero la pregunta es, ¿cómo nosotros podemos controlar esas emociones?
So then the question is, how can we control those emotions?
Porque todos nosotros hemos tenido esos sueños.
Because we all have had those dreams.
Y algunos los hemos alcanzado, otros no.
And some of them we were able to reach them, but others we weren't.
Y la Biblia nos habla de cómo poder nosotros controlar esos sueños,
And the Bible tells us how we can control those dreams,
esas emociones.
those emotions,
Esas emociones que pueden destruir nuestra vida.
those emotions that can destroy our life,
Esas emociones que pueden alejarnos de Dios.
those emotions that can separate us from God.
Y la gente cuando comienza a sentir estas emociones porque no alcanzó sus sueños,
And when people start to feel these emotions because they were not able to reach their dreams,
comienza a decir,
they start to say,
¿y para qué voy más a la iglesia?
then why should I go to church anymore?
¿Para qué gasto mi tiempo y mi dinero en la iglesia?
Why do I spend my money and my time at church?
Dios no está muy interesado en mí.
God is not very interested in me.
Si Dios no va a ser más fiel conmigo, ¿para qué gasto tiempo y mi dinero yendo a la iglesia todos los días o cada semana?
Why am I wasting my time and money going to church if God is not going to be faithful to me?
Y dice la gente, ¿por qué voy a despreciar mi tiempo siguiendo a Dios?
Why am I going to waste my time following Jesus?
¿Sabe el por qué la gente reacciona o dice esas cosas?
Do you know why people react that way and say those things?
Porque están esos sueños que no alcanzaron.
It's because those dreams that were not reached are in them.
Y esas emociones se van acumulando ahí que comienzan a alejarse de Dios.
And those emotions start to accumulate and they separate you away from
A
God.
llenar esos sueños con otras cosas.
And you start to fill those dreams with other things.
Y la mayoría de la gente
And the majority of the people,
sufre remordimientos
they suffer from remorse
porque no alcanzaron sus sueños.
because they were not able to reach their dreams.
Y quizás tenían algunas cosas que alcanzar y de repente no se cumplen.
And maybe they had something they had to reach and they weren't able to get it.
Pero es interesante,
But it's very interesting.
la Biblia nos habla
The Bible talks to us
qué hacer
what to do
con las desilusiones
with all those things that you weren't able to
y
capture,
las impotencias.
with those things you weren't able to do.
¿Cuántos de ustedes se han desilusionado porque no alcanzaron algo?
How many of you had just been disillusioned because you weren't able to reach something?
Llegaron a la escuela, a la universidad
You got to the university, to the school,
y no alcanzaron lo que querían.
and you weren't able to reach what you
Y
wanted.
se desilusionaron tanto
And became so sad
que hoy están peleadas con los estudios, las escuelas.
that now you're fighting with the school systems and everything else.
O quizás quería usted en la vida tener un buen matrimonio.
Or maybe in life you wanted to have such a good
Y
marriage.
hoy han pasado los años y dice, no lo logré.
And the years have gone by and you say, I
Y
wasn't
hay,
able to achieve
y hay
that.
desilusión en
And
usted.
then you become
Hay
depressed and
tristeza
sad.
quizás en usted.
There is sadness within you.
Bueno, la Biblia nos habla
Well, the Bible
de
talks to
todas
us
estas cosas.
about all those
Cómo
things.
nosotros podemos manejar esas desilusiones.
How we are able to balance all this out.
Y en esta serie estamos tomando la vida de David.
And in this series, we're taking the life of David,
Porque la vida de David nos habla de todas esas cosas.
because the life of David talks to us about
De
all
todos
this,
esos sueños.
of all these dreams.
Y hoy, para finalizar esta serie,
And today, to be able to finalize this series,
estamos tomando un episodio de la vida de David.
we're going to take an episode of David's life,
Y la historia que vamos a ver hoy
and the story that we're going to see today
nos habla cuando David pudo haber tenido unos 45 a 50 años.
and it's about the phase where David was about 45 or 50.
Ya David está como medio realizado todo lo que ha hecho.
You know, David feels a little bit good because he's able to reach many things now.
Ya David podía estar tranquilo.
David could be at peace.
Ya podía estar tranquilo por todas las cosas que había alcanzado y logrado.
David could be at peace because he had reached so many things.
Pero hay algo que sucede
But there's something that happens
que trae a la vida de David
that brings to David's
un
life.
desequilibrio.
It brings an imbalance.
Y quizás el momento más oscuro en la vida de David
And it's probably the darkest moment that David lived.
se dio en esta historia que vamos a ver a
And
continuación.
you'll see in this story that we're going to read.
Y lo interesante es
And the interesting thing about this,
que David, pasando por todas estas situaciones,
that David was going through all these difficulties.
David reaccionó de una manera muy diferente
David reacted in such a different way
como había reaccionado anteriormente.
the way he had reacted in the prior circumstances.
Es sorprendente cómo David reacciona
It is incredible to see how David reacted
en este episodio de su vida.
in this episode in his life.
Y en la historia de hoy,
In today's story,
y yo le quisiera invitar
I'd like to invite you.
a que usted en su casa lea porque abarca varios capítulos.
I'm going to ask that you read it at home because it takes a lot of chapters.
Y lo voy a hacer de una forma rápida.
So I'm going to do it in a very quick way.
Y David enfrentó estas situaciones.
And David confronted this different situation.
Y esta es la peor situación que enfrentó David.
And this is the worst situation that David was able to
Y yo
confront.
tengo una pregunta para usted antes de continuar.
And I have a question for you before I continue.
¿Cómo reacciona usted
How do you react
cuando sus sueños no se cumplen?
when your dreams do not come true?
¿Cómo ha reaccionado?
How do you react?
¿Cómo reaccionamos cuando nuestros sueños no se cumplen?
How do you react when your dreams don't come true?
Para comenzar, David es un hombre guerrero.
First of all, to start, David is a warrior.
Él se creció en los campos matando osos y leones.
He grew up in the fields killing different types of animals, bears and lions.
David era un hombre violento,
David was a man that was violent.
pero lo vemos cómo responde a esta situación.
But we see how he responds to this situation.
No responde como aquel hombre guerrero que era.
He doesn't respond like that man, the warrior that he was.
Y este es el modelo que nosotros debemos de imitar
And this is the model that we need to imitate
cuando nuestros sueños no se han cumplido.
when our dreams have not come true.
Este es el modelo que nosotros debemos de tomar como ejemplo.
This is the model that we need to take as an example.
Porque David nos muestra un estilo de vida
Because David is showing us a style of life
a pesar de todas las cosas que pasó.
besides everything else that he went through.
Y esta es la historia.
And this is the story.
Ahí le va.
Here it goes.
Usted lo puede encontrar en el segundo libro de Samuel,
You can find this in 2nd of Samuel
desde el capítulo 3 en adelante,
from chapters 13 and on.
y llega hasta el capítulo 21 por ahí.
And it continues all the way into chapter 21.
Así que son varios capítulos.
So it's a lot of chapters.
Y por esa razón no vamos a leer porque pasaríamos más de una hora leyendo esos capítulos.
So for that reason, we're not going to read all that.
Pero espero que me pueda captar esta historia.
But I hope you can capture the story.
David a sus 40 años más o menos
So David was about 40 years now.
vivía bien.
He was living well.
Ha vencido a todos sus enemigos.
He's defeated all of his enemies.
Está tranquilo ya en su palacio.
He's at peace at his palace.
Pero bajo su techo
But under his roof,
algo sucede.
something happens.
O sea, como David está muy acomodado en su palacio,
You know how David's so comfortable in his palace.
pero en su familia algo está pasando.
But in his family, something's going on.
¿Qué sucede en la vida de la familia de David?
What is going on in the life of David and his family?
Su primer hijo,
His first son,
que se llamó Amón.
his son was named Amon.
Este hombre iba a ser el rey.
He was going to be the king.
Era el primero.
He was the firstborn.
Es el que iba a heredar el trono de David.
This is the one that was going to take
Era el
over the
primogénito
throne.
de David.
He was the firstborn of David.
Pero ¿saben lo que pasó con Amón?
But you know what happened with Amon?
Se enamoró de su hermana Tamar.
He fell in love with his sister Tamar.
Y el hombre se puso enfermo del amor de esa mujer.
So then he was so in love with her.
Era su hermana.
It was his sister.
Y Amón insistía en querer tener a su hermana.
And Amon insisted that he wanted his sister as his own wife.
Y inventó un montón de una serie de cosas.
So he invented a whole bunch of things to be able to keep her near.
Tuvo un amigo que le ayudó a planear todo esto.
He had a friend that was able to help him to be able
Y la
to achieve
estrategia
this.
que usó este hombre,
And what he did was
fingió que estaba enfermo
he felt and wanted to teach to others that he was sick.
y pide que ella venga a darle de comer.
So then he goes ahead and tricks Tamar so she can come and feed him.
Y al final la muchacha llega a darle de comer.
So then Tamar comes to feed him.
Era su hermano.
This was his brother.
Estaba enfermo,
Her brother was sick.
supuestamente enfermo.
Well, supposedly
Él
Ammon was
se
sick.
hizo pasar como enfermo
Supposedly he was sick.
para tener a su hermana en su casa
So he could have his sister
y le
at home,
sirviera.
so that his sister could serve
Así que
him.
su hermana llegó a la casa de este hombre
So then Tamar, his sister, showed up at the
y
home.
cuando llegó,
And when he got there,
el hombre la violó.
then the man raped her.
Era su hermana.
It was his
Y su
sister.
hermana le dice,
And his sister tells him,
vayamos con el rey
come on, let's go to the king.
y hablemos para que nosotros nos podamos casar.
Come on, let's talk to the king so we can get married.
Y la Biblia dice que este hombre
And the Bible says that this man
aborreció a su hermana.
hated his sister
La
so much.
deshonró de una manera vil.
He dishonored her in such an evil way.
Después de violarla,
After he raped
la
her,
despreció
he went ahead and put her aside.
y mandó a llamar a sus criados
And he went ahead and called all of his
para que
servants
sacaran a la mujer de su
to go ahead
casa.
and take this woman out of his house.
Imagínense esta historia muy triste.
Can you imagine the story? It's so sad.
Era su hermana.
It was his sister.
La violó,
He raped her.
la usó,
He used her.
la despreció,
He went ahead and put her aside.
la deshonró
He dishonored
y
her.
la tiró a la calle.
And he threw her outside the house.
¿Qué es lo que sucedió con la historia?
What happened with the rest of the story?
Tamar
Tamar.
tenía un hermano.
She had a brother.
Bueno, tenía varios,
She had many brothers.
pero tenía
actually.
uno que era muy especial.
But he was one that was very special with
Y
her.
este es Absalón.
And his name was Absalom.
Pero antes de comenzar con la historia de Absalón,
But before we start with Absalom's part in the story,
¿qué hizo David
what did David do
con la violación de su hija?
with the way that his son had raped his own sister?
¿Cómo reaccionó David a esto?
How did David react to this?
David se enteró.
David was aware.
¿Y qué hizo?
And what did he do?
¿Qué podría hacer David?
What could David do?
Era su hija,
It was his daughter.
era su hijo.
It was his son.
¿Qué podría hacer David en toda esta situación?
What could David do in all this situation?
Este hombre era un príncipe principal en Israel,
This was a man who was a principal in the kingdom of Israel.
pero los dos eran sus hijos.
But both of them were his children.
Y aplicar la ley
And to be able to apply the law,
sería devastador para la familia de David.
it'd be devastating to David's family.
Y no solamente para la familia de David,
And not only for David's family,
sino para la nación de Israel.
but for the whole nation of Israel.
Y David toma la decisión
So David takes the decision
de no hacer nada.
to do absolutely nothing.
No hizo nada
He
David.
did nothing.
¿Saben lo que hizo David?
You know what David did?
Olvidó el asunto.
He just forgot about it.
Lo dejó pasar.
He let it go by.
Y dijo, no.
He said no.
Y Tamar
And Tamar,
se va a vivir con su hermano Absalón.
she goes ahead and lives with her brother Absalom.
Y Absalón tenía una característica particular.
And Absalom had a very unique characteristic.
La Biblia dice que era un hombre muy parecido.
He said that he was a well-groomed man.
Era un hombre perfecto.
He was a very perfect man.
Así lo describe la Biblia,
That
Absalón.
is the way the Bible describes
Se
him.
parecía mucho a David.
He was very similar to David.
Era un líder natural,
He was by nature a leader.
bien parecido.
He was well.
Tenía ese encanto que la gente lo seguía.
He had the delight that people would follow him.
Era un tipo increíble.
He was a unique man.
Era igual que su padre.
He was just like his father.
Tenía fama este hombre.
He was famous.
Y Absalón
So Absalom,
decide que su padre
he decides that his father,
haga algo,
he needs to do something.
pero no hace nada su padre
But his father does nothing
con respecto a este crimen.
in respect to this crime.
Así que él comienza a actuar por su propia cuenta.
So then Absalom acts on his own.
Y pasó el tiempo.
And the time went by,
Pasaron 2 años más o menos.
and then about 2 years went by.
Y nadie dijo nada de lo sucedido.
And nobody said anything about what went on.
Y Absalón
So Absalom,
hizo una fiesta.
he went ahead and did this big party.
En esta fiesta invitó a su padre y a todos sus hermanos.
And in this party, he invited his father and all of his brothers.
Pero David en último momento
But David, in the last moment,
decidió no ir a la fiesta.
he decided not to go.
Así que Absalón, estando juntamente con todos sus hermanos en esta fiesta,
So Absalom was there together with all of his brothers.
asesinó a su hermano
He killed his brother.
frente a toda la familia.
He killed him before everyone who was there, his family.
Porque él quería vengar el crimen que había cometido con su hermana.
He wanted revenge for the crime that had been done to his sister.
Y en frente de todo lo asesinó.
And in front of everyone, he
Y
assassinated him.
todos los hermanos de este hombre o los hijos de David fueron esparcidos.
And all the children of David were scarce around the land.
Porque ellos creían que también los iba a matar a ellos.
Because he also thought that Absalom was going to kill all of
Porque
them.
creían que Absalón iba a tomar el poder del reino.
Because they believed that Absalom would be able to take the power of the kingdom.
Y no.
But it wasn't so.
Absalón lo que quería era justicia.
The only thing that Absalom wanted was justice.
Porque su padre no había hecho nada por el crimen que se había cometido.
Because his father did absolutely nothing for the crime that had been done.
Acuérdense que habían pasado 2 años
Remember, 2 years have gone by
que esta muchacha había sido violada.
that this young lady had been raped.
Y nadie había dicho nada en el reino.
And nobody said anything
Todo
in
lo
the
tenían
kingdom.
escondido.
Everything was hidden.
Así que este hombre tomó él su justicia en sus manos
So he went ahead and took justice into his own hands.
y le cortó la vida a su hermano.
And he went ahead and took the life of his
Y
brother.
todos fueron esparcidos de la fiesta.
And everybody had left the party.
Porque públicamente él quería hacer justicia.
Because he wanted to do justice in a public way.
Y David se enteró de esto.
So then David went ahead and found out about
Y él
it.
creía que Absalón había matado a todos sus hijos.
And so then he believed that Absalom had killed all of his children.
Pero le dieron noticias a David. Le dijeron, no, solamente uno de tus hijos ha muerto.
So then they gave news to David and said, no, he only killed one of your sons.
El primogénito tuyo murió nada más.
He said the firstborn was the only one that was killed.
Y Absalón
So Absalom,
huye del país
he went ahead and flees from the country.
y llega a un lugar que se llama Jesús.
So he gets to a place that's called Jezer.
Hoy Jesús es lo que es Siria.
Now that's considered to be Syria.
El asesinato de David, perdón, de esta muchacho llegó a los oídos de David.
So that crime that had been done against this young man came to the ears of the king.
David había perdido a un hijo,
David had lost a son.
pero otra vez está en el dilema.
But again, he's in the big dilemma.
Su hijo,
His son,
Absalón,
Absalom,
había huido,
he had fled.
se había ido
He had left
a otro país.
to another country.
Así que David tenía otra pérdida más.
So now David had another loss.
Aparte que habían violado a su hija,
Besides the fact that they had raped his daughter,
habían matado a su primogénito.
they had killed his firstborn.
¿Qué hizo David?
What did David do?
¿Qué hizo David?
What did David do?
Nada.
Nothing.
No hizo nada.
David did nothing.
Me llama la atención por qué.
And it calls my attention, why didn't he do anything?
Siendo David un guerrero,
Being David such a warrior.
siendo un hombre violento,
He was a violent man.
¿por qué en todas estas escenas
Why in all of these scenes,
o en toda esta historia
all of this story,
David no hace nada?
David does nothing?
Porque el corazón de David
Because the heart of David
había aprendido una lección
had learned a lesson
cuando él se fue a huir
when he was his turn to flee.
antes de ser rey.
Before he was king,
Y se acuerdan que David tomó su propia vida en sus propias manos
remember that David decided to take his life into his own hands.
y por esa actitud
And because of that attitude,
mucha gente había muerto.
many people had died because of his
Y esto a
attitude.
David no se le olvidaba nunca jamás.
So David could not forget this that had happened.
Y por esa razón,
And for that reason,
David en todos estos casos
in all of these things that happened,
no hizo nada.
David decided to do nothing.
Así que hoy tiene a su hijo huyendo
So now he has his own son fleeing,
y David añoraba ver a su hijo
and David wanted so much to see
como
his
todo
son,
padre,
like every father
porque el
does,
tiempo había pasado.
because the time had gone
2
by.
años que su hijo estaba en el exilio
2 years that his son had left,
y hubo un general de David
and there was a general from David's army.
que arregló algo para que su hijo regresara otra vez a Israel.
He fixed something so then his son could return to Israel.
Y este general del ejército de David
And this general from the army of David,
trae otra vez a Absalón a Jerusalén.
he brings Absalom back into the kingdom of Israel.
Absalón viene a vivir a Jerusalén
So then Absalom comes to live to Jerusalem.
y David vivía en Jerusalén.
And David lived in
Y
Jerusalem.
pasaron 2 años
And 2 years went by
que David no vio el rostro de su hijo.
that he did not see his son.
Él sabía que su hijo estaba en Jerusalén,
He knew that his son was in Jerusalem.
pero David no lo había buscado.
But David had not searched
No
for
lo
his
había
son.
visto.
He had not seen him.
Imagínense usted esto,
Can you imagine
que
this?
es el hijo que él añoraba ver
This is the son that he wanted to
y se
see.
da cuenta que su hijo está en Jerusalén
And he knows that his son is now in
y él
Jerusalem.
no lo manda a llamar.
And he doesn't call him to come.
Así que pasó el tiempo
So then the time went by.
y Absalón fue al palacio
So Absalom went to the palace
y habló con David
and he talked to David.
y tuvieron una conversación.
And they had a conversation.
No se dice o no dice la Biblia qué tipo de conversación tuvieron,
The Bible doesn't tell you what type of conversation they had.
pero cuando esa conversación terminó,
But when that conversation finished,
el hijo de David, Absalón,
the son of David, Absalom,
salió molesto del palacio.
he left the palace and he was hurt. He
Y
was
se
bothered.
marchó.
And he went ahead and fled.
Algo sucedió en la conversación.
Something happened in the conversation.
¿Qué le pudo haber dicho?
What could have David told him?
No sabemos.
We don't know.
Lo que sabemos es que este hombre salió furioso del palacio.
What we do know is this: the man was furious as he left the palace.
Y la historia continúa por 4 años más.
And then the story continues for 4 more years.
Durante esos 4 años,
During these 4 years,
Absalón se sienta a las puertas de la ciudad
Absalom always sat at the end of the doors in the city.
y hace el trabajo de juez y consejero
And he does his work as judge and advisor.
a todos los que pasaban por ahí.
For everyone who went through those doors,
Comenzaba a aconsejarlos.
he used to keep to advise.
Aparte
all
de
them.
Absalón, estaba siendo poderoso.
And besides the point, Absalom was turning into a very powerful man.
Y la Biblia dice que Absalón comenzó a ganarse el corazón de la gente.
And the Bible says that Absalom started to win the favor of the people.
Y la gente comienza a ver a este hombre como el líder que ellos necesitaban.
And they start to see Absalom as the leader they wanted and needed.
Y este hombre,
And this man,
Absalón,
Absalom,
tiene un plan.
he has a plan.
Y el plan era derrotar a su padre.
And the plan was to be able to defeat his father.
Así que Absalón
So then Absalom returns.
vuelve otra vez al palacio
He returns to the palace
y le dice a David
and he tells David
que él necesitaba ir a Hebrón
that he needed to go to Hebron
para poder hacer un sacrificio
because he needed to go ahead and present a sacrifice
de unos votos que él había hecho a Jehová.
for a covenant that he had made with God.
Y le dijo, pues puedes ir en paz.
He said, okay, go ahead, Absalom, go in peace.
Pero lo que estaba haciendo Absalón
But the thing that Absalom was doing,
era llegar a Hebrón
he wanted to get to Hebron
y proclamarse rey de Israel.
and he wanted to proclaim himself as king of Israel.
Y Absalón buscó a un hombre
So Absalom searched for a man.
llamado Ahitofel.
His name was Ahithophel.
Y este hombre era un consejero del rey.
He was an advisor of the king.
Y él lo buscó para ganar la confianza
He went ahead and searched for him so he can win the trust.
y poderlo enviar al palacio
And so he could send him to the palace
para que le informara todo lo que estaba pasando en la vida de David.
so he can inform him of everything that was going on in the life of David.
Es probable que David se haya enterado de esta situación.
It is possible that David found out that all this was going on.
Así que David en este momento recibe también una noticia.
So in this moment, David receives the news.
Y la noticia que recibe David
And the news that he receives is
no esperaba que viniera de su hijo.
he did not want this to come from his own son.
Y este hombre se proclama el heredero de David.
So then he decides that he's going to go ahead and take over the kingdom.
David ya tenía quizás un poco de conocimiento de lo que estaba pasando en todo esto.
David now had a knowledge of everything that was going on that Absalom was planning.
Otra vez volvemos a la pregunta.
So then again, we go back to the first question.
David conociendo todo ese plan,
If David knew all this plan that was going on,
¿qué hizo David?
what did David do?
Nada.
Nothing.
No hizo nada.
He did nothing.
¿Qué hace usted cuando sus sueños no se están cumpliendo?
What do you do when your dreams are not coming true, becoming true?
¿Qué hace usted cuando las cosas no van bien?
What do you do when things aren't going your way?
¿Qué hizo David?
What did David do?
Nada.
Nothing.
Mataron a su hija, violaron a su hija,
They went ahead and raped his daughter.
mataron a su primogénito.
They killed his firstborn.
Su hijo se va huyendo,
His son flees the country.
regresa,
He comes back.
tienen un encuentro
They have a
no agradable
conversation. They didn't go very well.
y se va a Hebrón
So then he leaves to Hebron
y se proclama rey.
and he decides to claim that he's the king now.
Y David
And David
no hizo nada.
did nothing.
Esto fue un golpe muy duro para David.
This was a very, very strong hit against David.
Y no solamente para David, también para la gente que estaba con David.
And not only for David, but for the people that were with David.
Y esta gente que estaba alrededor de David,
And these people that were surrounding David.
ellos creían que David iba a pelear contra su hijo.
They believed that maybe David was going to fight against his own son.
Y la respuesta que recibieron de David,
And the response they received from David is,
cuando ellos se vieron amenazados por Absalón,
they went ahead and saw that they were being defeated by Absalom or challenged by
¿sabe lo que les
Absalom.
dijo David?
You know what David said?
Vamos a abandonar la ciudad.
He said, we're going to go ahead and leave the city.
Vamos a abandonar todo.
We're just going to abandon everything that we
Vamos a
have.
dejar todo lo que tenemos aquí.
And David said, we're just going to leave everything that we
Porque él
have.
sabía que su hijo iba a llegar a la ciudad
Because he knew that his son was going to come into the city.
y se iba a enfrentar con David
And he was going to confront with David.
e iba a matar a la gente de David.
And he was going to kill the people of David.
Iba a matar a sus hijos.
He was going to kill the rest of his sons.
Iba a matar a sus mujeres.
He was going to kill their women.
Iba a matar a todo mundo que estaba con David.
He was going to kill everyone that was
Y
with
David
David.
dice, vámonos a irnos de acá.
So then David says, no, let's leave now.
La gente esperaba que David reaccionara y dijera, vamos a agarrar las espadas y vamos a defender.
People expected for David to say, grab your swords, let's go ahead, and we're going to fight against them.
David pudo haber recordado aquella lección cuando tomó en sus manos.
David could have remembered the lesson when he went ahead and took the sword that belonged to Goliath, the giant.
Cuando tomó su vida en sus manos.
He decided to take his life into his own hands.
Porque aquí tenía la oportunidad de poder hacerlo David.
Because today he had the opportunity to do it again with his life.
Pero David recordaba que cuando él trató de tomar el control,
But when he decided and that he wanted to take control again,
no le funcionó.
he remembered that it didn't function.
Eso es lo que sucede cuando nosotros queremos tomar el control de nuestros sueños,
That's exactly what happens when we want to take control of our own lives.
de nuestras aspiraciones.
From all of the things we'd like to conquer.
No funcionan.
It just doesn't work.
No funcionan.
It just does not work.
Hoy hablamos del callejón de los sueños rotos.
Today we're talking about the alley of the broken
Y
dreams.
quizás usted se encuentra ya con años diciendo, no lo logré.
And maybe you're down to the point where it's like, I haven't achieved this.
Y ahora quiero hacerlo con mis propias fuerzas.
And now I want to do it with my own strength.
A David no le funcionó
It didn't work for David
porque no funciona.
because it doesn't work.
Así que la gente esperaba que David hiciera resistencia.
So they wanted David to go ahead and posture with resistance.
Pero David se encuentra en una situación muy mala.
But David finds himself in a very difficult situation.
Como decimos nosotros, se encuentra entre la espada y la pared.
He finds himself between the wall and the sword.
Si David salía a pelear contra su hijo
If he goes ahead and fights against his son
y ganaba a su hijo,
and he won the battle against his son,
¿sabe quién perdía?
you know who lost?
David.
David.
Era su hijo.
It was his son.
O sea, si David se enfrentaba a Absalón
That means that he confronted his son Absalom
y lo mataba,
and he killed him.
perdía a David.
He was going to lose anyways.
Perdía un hijo.
He was going to lose another
Mataba a
son.
un hijo.
He was going to kill his own son.
Si David salía a pelear
If David went out to fight
y se enfrentaba a su hijo
and he confronted his son
y su hijo ganaba,
and his son wins,
también perdía a David.
then David was also
O sea
going
que
to
las dos
lose.
opciones David salía perdiendo.
So with both options, David was going to lose.
¿Qué hizo David?
So then what did he do?
Nada.
Nothing.
No hizo nada.
He did nothing.
Si peleaba y lo mataba, perdía.
If he fought and won, he lost.
Y si peleaba y ganaba, perdía.
And if he fought and his son won, he would lose anyways.
Era su hijo.
It was his son.
David entendía
David understood
que si peleaba esta batalla
that if he fought this battle
contra su hijo,
against his own son,
la nación estaría dividida.
then the nation would be divided.
¿Y qué pasaba cuando la nación estaba dividida?
And what would happen when the nation was divided?
Las otras naciones venían y atacaban a Israel y le ganaban.
Well, then the other nations would come and attack them and would go ahead and defeat them.
Así que todas las imágenes del futuro que David tenía
So all the images of the future that David had,
se fueron.
they left.
Era una situación muy difícil para David.
It was a very difficult situation for David.
Y David toma la decisión de llevarse a toda su gente para protegerlos.
And David makes the decision to take all of his people to go ahead and defeat them.
Y le dice, vamos a irnos.
And we're going to go ahead and go to them.
En el versículo 24,
In verse 24,
usted lo puede leer ahí.
You can go ahead and read it here.
ellos dan la orden de llevarse el arca del pacto.
He goes ahead and gives the order to take the covenant.
¿Y saben lo que significa el arca del pacto?
And you know what the Ark of the Covenant meant?
Significaba la presencia de Dios.
It meant there was the presence of
Ahí
God.
en el arca del pacto
And the Ark of the Covenant,
era una caja bañada de oro por dentro y por fuera.
it was a covenant that was full and was full of gold inside and out.
Y ahí tenían la vara de Aarón.
And there they had the bar that was Aaron's.
Y ahí tenían las tablas que Dios le había dado a Moisés.
And there he had the things that Aaron had received from God.
Y ahí las guardaban.
And there he went ahead and kept
Y
them.
cada vez que ellos iban a la guerra,
And every time they went to war,
llevaban esa caja.
they used to go ahead and take this big
Y
covenant
cuando
with them,
estaban
the
en la
ark.
guerra, ponían la caja ahí.
So then they went ahead and put the ark in
Y
the
el,
middle and fought.
y el pueblo de Israel ganaba las batallas.
And the people of Israel will win the war.
Hubo una vez que los filisteos se llevaron esa caja
And the one time that the Philistines took that
y
box,
les fue muy mal.
it was terrible for
Y
them.
muchas cosas pasaron negativas en la vida de los filisteos.
And many things happened in the life of the Philistines.
Así que volvieron la caja
So then they returned the
y
box
se la dejaron a un hombre por 3 meses.
and they left it to a man for a
Y
couple
este
of
hombre
months.
fue bendecido.
And this man was blessed.
Pero esa es otra historia.
But that's another story.
Así que cuando David le dice a la gente, vayan o agarren la caja y vamos a irnos.
So then when David says, grab the box, we're going to flee and run.
Y ellos comenzaron, los levitas y los sacerdotes comenzaron a levantar la caja y hacer todos los preparativos para llevársela.
So then the Levites and the priests start to fix the Ark of the Covenant to take it with them.
¿Y saben qué les dijo David?
And you know what David told them?
Después que sacaron a todo el pueblo,
After they went ahead and took all of the group of the people from
les
Israel,
dice a los sacerdotes,
he tells the priest,
regresen el arca.
he says, you know what? Return the ark.
¿Qué?
And they said, what?
David, esta es nuestra protección.
But David, this is our protection.
David, esta es la presencia de Dios que nos hace ganar las batallas.
But David, this is the presence of God that allows us to win the battle.
Y David les dice,
But David tells them,
regresen el arca.
come on, let's return the ark.
Y los hombres, oh, David, no entendemos, David.
He says, come on, David, we don't understand what you're telling us.
¿Qué? ¿Nos estás diciendo que regresemos el arca del
Oh,
pacto?
okay, David, you're telling us for us to return the ark to the place where it was?
David había aprendido la lección.
David had learned his lesson.
No tratar de manipular a Dios.
He did not want to manipulate God.
Muchas veces en nuestra vida
Many times in our lives,
tratamos de manipular a Dios.
we start to manipulate God.
Y David había aprendido esta lección muy bien.
And David had learned this lesson very well.
Y David dijo, esta vez no voy a manipular a Dios.
He said, this time I'm not going to manipulate God.
No trataré de forzar a Dios
I'm not going to be able to force God.
para que se cumpla mi voluntad.
I'm not going to go ahead and torture God so it will be my will done.
Muchas veces nosotros tenemos sueños
Many times we have dreams.
y tratamos de manipular a Dios para que esos sueños se cumplan en nuestra vida.
And we start to manipulate God so those dreams will come true.
Y hacemos un montón de cosas,
And we do a whole bunch of things.
pero a Dios no podemos manipularlo.
But we cannot manipulate God.
Así que David dice, no, esta caja no va a ir con nosotros.
So he says, no, this ark is not going to leave with us.
Y la gente comenzó, me imagino yo, que a preguntarse, David, ¿por qué no puede ir con nosotros?
And I know they started to ask David, why can't the ark leave with us?
Pero David había sido leccionado mucho tiempo atrás.
But David had received many lessons from the past.
Escuche bien esto.
Listen to this very well.
Ahí en el versículo 25,
There in verse 25,
la mitad del versículo 25,
the half of verse
lo que
25,
David está diciendo.
what David is saying and shouting.
Déjeme leérselo.
Let me go ahead and read it to you.
Pero David dijo a Sadoc, que era uno de los sacerdotes,
So the king,
vuelve el arca de Dios a la ciudad. Y aquí va lo que les quería decir. Si yo hallare gracia ante los ojos de Jehová, Él hará que vuelva y que dejará verla y a su tabernáculo.
and the king said to Sadoc, carry back the ark of God into the city. And if I shall find favor in the eyes of the Lord, he will bring me again and show me both it and all of his habitation within me.
¿Qué es lo que está diciendo David?
What is David saying?
No vamos a llevar el arca,
No, we're not going to take the ark
porque voy a esperar que la voluntad de Dios se cumpla en mi vida.
because I'm going to wait for God's will to come to my life.
¿Y qué hacemos nosotros cuando queremos que Dios haga algo por nosotros?
But what do we do when we want God to do something for
Hacemos
us?
muchas cosas para que Dios cumpla nuestros propósitos.
We do many things so God will comply with
Pero
our purpose.
David estaba diciendo, si Dios quiere
But David was saying, if God wants,
que ese sueño se cumpla,
if that dream to come
yo
true,
volveré a Jerusalén,
then I will return to Jerusalem.
volveré a ver el arca
I will see the ark
y
one more
veré su
time,
tabernáculo.
and I will see the
Pero
tabernacle.
David había entendido que ya no era por su propia cuenta,
But now David understood it wasn't by his force or will.
sino que si Dios le permitía.
It was if God allowed it.
Eso es lo que está diciendo David.
This is what David's saying.
En otras palabras, David está diciendo,
In other words, David is saying,
aunque mi sueño ya se haya desvanecido,
maybe my dream is gone.
mi fe no se ha terminado.
Then my faith has not
Aunque mis
finished.
planes ya no existan,
Maybe my plans do
mi
not exist
fe no se ha
anymore.
terminado. Es lo que
My
estaba
faith has
diciendo
not
David.
finished. My faith is still strong.
Eso estaba diciendo David, aunque mis sueños no los he alcanzado,
David was saying, even though I have not reached my
mi
dreams,
fe no se ha terminado.
my faith has not finished.
¿Qué es lo que sucede cuando nuestros sueños no se cumplen?
What happens when our dreams do not come true?
Abandonamos a Dios,
Then we abandon God.
dejamos las cosas de Dios
Then we leave the things of God.
simplemente porque nuestros sueños no se cumplieron.
Just because our dreams never come true.
Pero David está mostrándonos aquí algo.
But David is showing us something here.
Si mis propósitos, David está diciendo, no se cumplen, no
David
importa.
is saying, if my purposes do not come true,
No importan.
then it doesn't matter.
Señor, si tú no me permites regresar otra vez a ver esta arca y esta ciudad,
He's saying, Lord, if you do not allow me to see this ark and this tabernacle again,
no importa, Dios.
it doesn't matter,
Pero yo
God.
sigo creyendo en ti.
But I still continue to believe in you.
Cuando los sueños no se cumplen,
When the dreams do not come true,
David estaba determinado a creer a Dios.
David was determined to believe in God.
No porque no se cumplieran sus sueños.
Not because his dreams weren't going to come true.
Él no iba a dudar de Dios.
He was not going to doubt of God.
David decía, no cometeré el mismo error que cometí cuando era un joven.
He said, I won't make the same mistakes I did when I was a young man.
En otras palabras, David no condicionó la voluntad de Dios a sus sueños.
In other words, David didn't condition his will for his life.
Y nosotros a veces cuando tenemos sueños, condicionamos nuestros sueños a la voluntad de Dios.
And when we have dreams, we condition them to God's will.
Por eso es que Dios no tiene sueños, Dios tiene propósitos.
That is why God doesn't have dreams for you. He has
Hoy,
purpose for your
hoy
life.
hablamos de sueños,
Today we're talking about dreams.
pero Dios no tiene sueños, Dios tiene propósitos.
God doesn't have dreams. He has
Y
purpose.
eso es lo que nosotros tenemos que buscar, propósitos de Dios.
And that's what we need to search for, the purpose of God in
Así
our
que
lives.
si usted tiene un sueño
So if you have a
y
dream
no se cumplen,
and it doesn't come true,
olvídese, busque el propósito de Dios.
then go ahead and search for God's purpose for your life.
Porque eso es lo que sucede con la gente.
Because that's what happens to the people.
Cuando los sueños no se están cumpliendo, comienzan a llenarse de emociones negativas.
So when the dreams don't come true, then people start getting filled of emotions.
Y esta es la conclusión.
And this is the conclusion.
La situación se tornó para David fea.
The situation had turned very ugly for David.
Mientras David se alejaba de la ciudad
As David was separating himself from the city
y tomó control del reino de David,
and took control of the kingdom of David,
y aconsejado por los consejeros que tenía, valga la redundancia,
and he was taking the advice of his advisors,
él preguntó, ¿qué hago más contra David?
he said, what else can I do against David?
Acuérdense, era su padre.
Can you imagine? Was his father.
Y aquellos hombres le aconsejaron y le dijeron,
So then they go ahead and advise him and told him.
humíllalo de la peor manera a tu padre.
He said, go ahead and make him humble now. The worst way possible. Embarrass him.
Y tomó a todas las mujeres que había dejado David ahí en el palacio.
So he went ahead and took all of the ladies that he had, all the young women from the kingdom
y no
for
fue
TV.
nada bueno.
It wasn't nothing good
Era
that he
la
did.
peor manera que su hijo podía humillar a David.
This was the worst way that he go ahead and embarrass his own father.
Era la peor forma que su hijo podía agarrar el lodo de la tierra y restregárselo en la cara a David.
This was the worst way that he could embarrass him, but taking the mud and putting it upon his face and telling him that he was king.
Este hombre
This man,
hizo esto contra su padre.
he went ahead and did this against his own father.
Así que Absalón reunió a un ejército
So Absalom united all of his people
y salió para la batalla
and he went out to the battle
contra su padre.
against his father.
Pero Absalón
But Absalom,
dejó pasar algo.
he went ahead and let one thing go by.
No reconoció quién era David.
He did not recognize who David was.
No quiso entender que David
He did not want to understand that David,
era un hombre
he was a man
de guerra.
of war.
No entendió que David estaba adiestrado para pelear en el campo de la batalla.
He did not understand that David was able to fight in war.
Así que salió contra él.
So he went ahead and charged against him.
Y cuando la batalla comenzó,
And when the battle started,
David no tuvo otra opción
so David had no other option
que defenderse.
than to defend himself.
Pero David hizo algo.
But David did one thing.
Dio órdenes a sus generales
He went ahead and gave orders to all his generals
que no mataran a su hijo.
to please do not kill his son.
¿Saben por qué?
And do you know why?
Porque David amaba a su hijo.
Because David loved his son.
Era su sueño.
It was his dream.
Él iba a heredar el trono,
He was going to go ahead and inherit the
pero no de esa
throne.
manera.
But not this way.
Y David había aprendido una lección.
And David had learned a lesson.
Ya había perdido mucho David.
He had lost so much.
Y él dice, no voy a pelear contra mi hijo.
He said, I will not fight against my son.
Pero su hijo lo acosó
But his son went ahead and charged against him.
y David se defendió.
So David had to defend himself.
Y él dice, no le hagan daño
And
a
he
mi hijo.
shouts and says, do not hurt him.
Pero atraparon a Absalón. Usted va a ver la historia ahí en
But
la
as you
Biblia.
read the story, you're going to be able to find out they went ahead and took him as a prisoner.
Lo atraparon
They went ahead and trapped him.
y le dieron la noticia a uno de los generales de David, a Joab.
And they went ahead and gave the news to Jobab, one of the generals of David.
Y él mismo
And he told him.
fue y le metió dardos en el corazón del hijo de David.
So he went ahead and put darts into the heart.
¿Y qué es lo que qué les había dado? ¿Cuál es la orden que David les dio?
And what was the order that David told them?
No lo maten.
Do not kill him, he said.
Y este hombre fue y dijo, yo mismo lo haré.
He said, no, I personally will kill him.
Y lo mató.
And he killed David's son.
La historia dice que quedó enredado en una encina
He said that he was tied up into one of the parts within.
y quedó suspendido entre el cielo y la tierra.
And then he was caused to be caught in the middle and on the tree. And he was face down.
Y
against
ahí,
the floor.
mientras estaba colgado, aquel hombre lo mató.
And as he was hanging from the tree, the general decided to kill him.
Y le dieron la noticia a David.
So then they went ahead and came to David and gave him the news of how his son had been killed.
La pena de David fue tan grande
The pain of David was so much
porque ese día
because that day,
David
David,
había perdido a su segundo hijo.
he had lost his second son.
Pero a pesar de su dolor,
But besides all of his pain,
a pesar de la pena,
besides all of the ache
de la incertidumbre
of not being able to know
que David estaba pasando,
that David was going through,
él
he
no rehusó a condicionar su fe en Dios.
he did not want to condition his faith for God.
Pasara lo que pasara,
He said, whatever happens will happen.
David aceptó
David accepted
la voluntad de Dios.
God's will for his life.
Esto es interesante.
This is very interesting.
En ese mismo lugar,
In the same place,
Jesús
Jesus,
se arrodilló
he went ahead and went to his knees
y dijo,
and he said,
Padre, que no sea mi voluntad,
Father, let it not be my will,
sino la tuya.
but yours.
en ese mismo lugar
in the same place that this
donde
happened,
David
where David,
caminó
he
con
walked
su pueblo.
his people.
Cuando le dieron la noticia de que su hijo
When they gave him the news that his son
había muerto.
had died.
La Biblia dice que David
The Bible says that David,
se fue al salón de la puerta
he went to near the door,
y ahí comenzó a llorar.
and within that room, he
La
started
muerte
to
de su
cry.
hijo.
He started to cry.
Y él decía, me hubieran matado mejor a mí.
He said, they should have killed me and not my son.
Era tan grande la pena de David.
His pain was so much.
Porque no se trata de mis sueños.
Because it's not about my dreams.
No se trata de sueños,
It's not about dreams,
sino de la voluntad de Dios.
but God's will.
No se trata de sueños.
It's not about
Se
dreams,
trata de la voluntad de Dios.
but it's God's will that
Esto
needs to
nos
be
muestra
done.
la historia de David al final de una etapa de la vida de David.
And this is something that we learn after this phase in David's life.
Ya no tomaba él el control en sus manos para que los sueños se cumplieran.
He no longer took control of the dreams so that they would come true.
Ahora decía, Señor, es tu voluntad.
Now he would say, God, let it be your
Y eso es
will.
lo que Jesús también dijo.
This is what Jesus said.
Padre, que no sea mi voluntad.
He said, Father, let it not be my will.
Y eso es lo que sucede con nuestros sueños.
And this is what happens with our
Nosotros
dreams.
queremos que la voluntad nuestra se cumpla.
We want our will to be
Y
done.
Dios dice no.
And God says no.
Y por eso nos molestamos,
And that's why we become bothered.
nos enojamos,
We become angry.
nos entristecemos,
We become sad.
hacemos un montón de cosas
We do many
equivocadas,
things that are wrong.
maltratamos a la gente,
We
a la
treat wrong the
familia,
people. We treat bad
porque
our
queremos que
families.
nuestros sueños se cumplan.
Because we want our dreams to
Te
come
tengo
true.
una noticia,
So I have news for you.
no se tratan de tus sueños,
It is not about your
no
dreams.
se tratan de mis sueños,
It's not about my
se trata
dreams.
de la voluntad de Dios.
It's about God's will.
Así que tus sueños rotos,
So your broken dreams,
ponlas en las manos de Dios.
you need to put it in God's
Ponlas en la
hands.
voluntad de Dios. Y este es el desafío.
And this is the challenge.
Sabiendo que tenemos sueños
Knowing that we have dreams
y que no se cumplen,
and that they don't come true.
podamos llegar a decir,
So we can go ahead and say,
Señor,
Lord,
que se haga tu voluntad.
let your will be done in my life.
Puede ser que tengamos cantidad de sueños,
Maybe it's true that we have many dreams.
pero poder decir, Señor, que no sean mis sueños,
But let it be true that we don't say, let your dreams
sino
come
que
true.
sea tu propósito en mi vida.
But say, Lord, let your purpose
Y
be done in
cuando,
my life.
y cuando nosotros decimos eso,
And when we say that,
algo sucede en nuestro interior.
something happens
Algo
within
pasa en
us.
nuestra vida.
Something happens within us.
David tenía un sueño,
David had a dream,
pero dijo, Señor, que sea tu voluntad.
but he said, Lord, let it be your will in my
Y
life.
algo pasó en la vida de David.
And something happened in David's life.
Algo cambió en el corazón de David.
Something changed in the heart of David.
Y cuando llegamos a este punto,
And when we get to this point,
a decir, Señor, haz lo que a ti te parezca.
and we say, Lord, let it be your will.
Haz, Señor, lo que tú quieras de mí.
And we say, Lord, do as you please.
Eso es lo que hizo David.
And that's what David
Y
did.
eso es lo que hizo Jesús.
And that's what Jesus
Y
did.
eso es lo que debemos de hacer todos nosotros.
And that's what we all need to
Para
do.
no vivir embroncados.
So we don't live fighting.
Porque cuando vivimos embroncados, estamos con esas emociones por todos lados.
Because when we are in constant fight, we live with these emotions.
Y cuando nosotros actuamos diciendo, Señor, que sea tu voluntad,
And when we say, Lord, let it be your will,
Dios cumple.
then God complies with us.
Que el propósito que Dios tiene para ti se llegue a realidad.
Allow God's purpose to come into your
Y
life.
tu vida va a ser diferente.
And your life will be different.
No trates de tomar tu vida en tus propias manos,
Don't allow yourself to take your own life in your hands.
queriendo hacer aquellas cosas que Dios dice, no, yo te hice para otra cosa.
And God says, no, but I created you for something else.
Yo te hice para que cumplieras este propósito.
God said, I made you so you can go ahead and comply with this purpose.
Pero muchas veces nosotros, como somos tan cerrados de la mente,
But because our minds are so close and narrow,
queremos que nuestros propios sueños se cumplan a la voluntad y a costa de todo.
we want our dreams to come true no matter what.
Y cuando comenzamos a hacer eso, nos encontramos en el callejón de los sueños rotos. Qué
Then we
triste.
find ourselves in the alley of the broken dreams.
Qué triste es estar en el callejón de los sueños rotos.
How sad it is to be in this alley of the broken
Pero
dreams.
Dios tiene un mejor sueño para cada uno de nosotros.
But God has a better dream for
Y no
all
importa
of
lo
us.
que pase,
And it doesn't matter what
no importa lo que
happens.
suceda,
Doesn't matter what can come.
usted diga, Señor,
You need to say, God,
es tu voluntad,
let it be your will,
no la mía.
not mine.
Y cuando usted diga eso,
And when you say this,
Dios dice, ahora
then God says, now
te voy a honrar.
I will honor you.
Ahora vas a tener sentido de tu vida.
Now your life is going to make sense.
Ahora vas a sentir lo que es felicidad.
And now you're going to be able to feel what is joy.
Si tus sueños no se cumplieron,
But if your dreams didn't come true,
olvídate de tus sueños y cumple la voluntad de Dios.
then forget about that and comply with God's purpose in your life.